So what I'm doing is moving these switches to the other side of the wall. Working in a small laundry room, and we're doing some cabinetry all on this side. So I need to move this so I'm able to utilize all the space with some cabinetry. So right now, I just used my multi-tool to cut the screws off the studs. And now I am going to disconnect all this and get ready to rewire it on the other side. So I am using black tape and the green tape to identify which wire goes where. So now I got the old box out, and on the other side, I'm gonna use one of these double thin switches, and it's gonna go right there. So I just traced the box around, avoiding the tabs, so like this. And now I'm gonna cut a straight line across there, there, so I can pop this box right in. So now I have the box in with the wires, the green wires over there, this right here is the power, and then this right here is the black for the light. Now I'm just going to rewire all the switches back up. And then on this side, you're able to see how the clip holds the box in. You see the clip is right there, and that's holding the box in. There's one on the bottom also. So I connected all the wiring back. So here's me testing. So there's the light, and everything works. So now I'm about to put this back together, put the face on, and then this right here, I'll put a cover on it. It won't be seen anyhow because the cabinetry is going up here, but I'll put a cover on that and get this done. So I want to start, move the light switch from the inside to the outside, and this is everything. We got the drawers, we got the lower cabinet space, the upper space, we got the clothing rod, the butcher block top, the drawers. Oh, you see the Mark the Builder on them. More drawers, and then the lower cabinet with upper cabinets up there, and this beautiful LG washer and dryer.